Hey there, so my phone's been going off the hook. I had 2 emails today and 1 phone call. People saying, Gail, when are the new models here in WaterSong Rivertown going to be available for us to come look at? So they did open up yesterday, 3 of the models and 2 of the Villa models. We're going to take a look. There's still 2 more that we can't have access to, the 2 larger models, but as soon as they come up, I'll let you know. By the way, I'm Gail DeMarco. I'm a local realtor here that works really, really hard. So if you want more information, just go ahead and reach out to me. After this video, I'd love to get your feedback. If you haven't already been to my channel, welcome. And if you have been, well, you're brave. Welcome back. Love to have you like, subscribe, comment. Let's have fun. Let's go take a look. And we'll start with the outside. This particular model starts at $512,000. It is called the Barbados. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,867 square feet. So probably the best thing I like about this floor plan is the huge lanai and this room and the room that I'm standing in. You could entertain probably 20 people in here and not even feel crowded. You know, I've got 6 grandkids. They could be running around here and they could, if I wanted to put in a pool, there's room for a pool with this model. I mean, it's probably one of the biggest lanais that I've seen. I love the master bedroom. I love the tray ceiling. I'd probably put some shiplap up there, some beadboard. It's just an incredible floor plan. And I love the office. I love the way that it is right there if you want to just sit there, read a book, or if you're still working, you can use it to work out of. It's just a great, great floor plan. Got to take a look at it. So now we're going to go inside the Cayman. Cayman is also a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. It's almost 1,900 square feet, and it starts again at $507, just depending on the elevation. Let's take a look at the outside, and then we'll go inside. If you want to come down here, absolutely reach out to me. My phone number is 904-640-8000. Look forward to seeing you at the models.